Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Check that each monitor is powered and connected via the intended cable. Once done, switch to the proper input on the monitor itself, and then open Display Settings on Windows or System Preferences on Mac OS. You should see multiple displays detected. If not, press Detect. Make sure Primary Monitor is set, and do not change scaling yet. This gets you immediately into the configuration area, where resolution and arrangement controls live. Now pick each display and choose its native resolution from the drop-down. Native is best for clarity. Next, drag the monitor icons to mirror your physical setup so the cursor moves logically from one screen to another. Use the Identify function to confirm numbers. Once arrangement and resolution are locked, adjust scaling to balance text size and workspace. Lower scaling if things feel zoomed. If refresh rate options appear, select the highest supported rate for smoother motion. Apply the settings and confirm you want to keep them, then test typical apps and full screen content to verify proportions. If you see black borders, stretched image, or incorrect resolution, update your GPU drivers and check monitor firmware if available. Make sure GPU control panels, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, don't override system settings. If problems persist, swap cables, try different ports, reboot the machine, or roll back recent updates. One key tip: use the GPU control panel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.